In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void invoices in QuickBooks Online's new invoice layout. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you void an invoice, so you can keep your books accurate and up to date. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to your left-hand navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Sales. Depending on your setup, you might also see an option called All Sales. Go ahead and click Sales, and then choose Invoices. This is where QuickBooks keeps a list of all the invoices you've created, whether they're open, paid, or overdue. Once you're on the Invoices page, you'll see a list or table of invoices. Take a moment to locate the invoice you need to void. You can scroll through the list, or, if you have a lot of transactions, use the search or filter tools at the top to narrow it down by customer name, invoice number, or date. Make sure you've selected the correct invoice, because voiding it will affect your records going forward. After you've found the invoice, look to the right side of that row in the Action column. There should be a small drop-down arrow icon. Click that arrow to open a list of actions you can take on this invoice. This menu is where QuickBooks puts options like editing, sending, copying, and, in our case, voiding the invoice. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Void. When you choose this, QuickBooks prepares to cancel out this invoice while still keeping a record that it once existed. This is different from deleting, which removes the invoice entirely from your books. Voiding is usually better for record keeping and audit trails because it shows that an invoice was created but later canceled. As soon as you select Void, QuickBooks will prompt you with a confirmation message. It will typically say something like, "Yes, void transaction." This extra step is there to prevent mistakes, so take a second to review that you're voiding the correct invoice. If everything looks right, click Yes, Void Transaction to confirm. After you confirm, the invoice status will change to voided, and its amount will no longer impact your balances or reports while the history remains in your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully voided an invoice in QuickBooks Online's new invoice layout.